Listen to part of a lecture in an architecture class.
A landscape architect is a profession that involves making wise decisions when using a given piece of land. The landscape architect will often come across a dilemma of choosing between preserving the existing nature and developing the new. It is important that the architect does not maximize, nor minimize, but strike an optimal balance between the two. Ancient tales and histories remind us of the consequences we can face if we do not discreetly use the available land. The exact reasons behind the downfall of the Mayan civilization, and Magna Graecia, which is Latin for Great Greek, are unknown. However, many historians suspect that the destruction of land, that led to natural catastrophes, was one of the causes for these civilizations to perish. Cities were deserted, due to deforestation and drought, and civilizations have crumbled, because of indifference and negligence. Thus, balancing aesthetics and practicality, and harmonizing nature and design, is important for an architect. One of the most prominent landscape architects is Frederick Law Olmsted. He is often considered one of America's pioneers of landscape architecture, and has designed many well-known urban parks, parkway systems, planned communities, college campuses, and various recreation grounds. Probably, he is best known for designing Central Park in New York City. It is widely believed that Olmsted coined the term, lungs of the city, in reference to New York's Central Park. He called the parks the lungs, because they were designed to provide breathing space for city residents. As more people moved to cities, Olmsted realized that the landscape can play an important role in advancing people's physical and mental health by restoring people's contact with nature. Interestingly, doctors and physicians started prescribing walks in Central Park as part of therapy, which was in accordance with what Olmsted had in mind when he initially designed the park.
Question 3. Listen again to part of the lecture. Then answer the question. What does the professor imply by saying this?
Ancient tales and histories remind us of the consequences we can face if we do not discreetly use the available land. The exact reasons behind the downfall of the Mayan civilization, and Magna Graecia, which is Latin for Great Greek, are unknown.